Today, we are taking an absolutely ruined, abandoned mansion and transforming it into a contemporary luxury masterpiece. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the incredibly satisfying process of creating 9 breathtaking 3D epoxy floors. Starting with a grand entryway. Watch how smoothly these rich floral tones blend together to create the perfect welcoming statement. For the open-plan living space, this swinging pendulum technique creates a mesmerizing, mathematically perfect geometric base. Adding delicate sheets of real 24-karat gold leaf into the midnight blue resin for that ultimate touch of height and luxury. This silver chain pull technique is always so incredibly satisfying to watch. The perfect romantic vibe for a dream master bedroom. Using high-pressure air to naturally feather these charcoal and gold veins, creating a hyper-realistic marble finish. Liquid gold meets deep black onyx. A powerful, dramatic design for a billionaire's home office. Soft pearl white and metallic rose gold, bringing warmth and light into this breathtaking grand sunroom. A delicate blush pink and white quartz design. The absolute dream foundation for a luxury walk-in closet. And for our grand finale in the ballroom, a chemical reaction using alcohol mist creates this stunning, cellular white opal geatum masterpiece. Which of these 9 luxury interior designs was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We upload to long format makeovers every week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a satisfying transformation.